Sikubingelele mlaleli, siphinde sikwamukele kwi-channel yethu. Besicela uma uqala ukuhlangana le channel, sicela upresse subscribe button. Sicele i-support yakho, usipressele subscribe button. Akudli ngisho encane imali le kuyibhange lakho. Besicela nje leyo support ukuthi upresse subscribe button. Esiza nazo ke manje zimayelana nomqeqeshi we-Kaizer Chiefs. Uthi it's not possible for players to play for Chiefs. I need a high quality striker. Head coach Nabi has addressed the questions over the possibility of Kaizer Chiefs signing a new striker with the transfer window having closed on Friday. In this moment, I don't have a conviction for offensive players that we have considered in terms of a quality, but we'll continue to look it. It's better to I take my time, Nabi said. If I feel pressure and I sign it quickly because of a pressure, maybe I will lose my preferred choice. I understand fans, me too, I desire for a new striker, but I have my responsibility to my club. I respect my club and it's a big club. It's a Kaizer Chiefs. It's not possible for any player to play for Kaizer Chiefs. Amazwi aqhamuka kumqeqeshi we-Kaizer Chiefs uMr Nabi lawa ekade ngiqeda ukuwasho manje. Bengicela ke mlaleli ukuthi ungakhohlwa ukwenza njalo. Ngicele i-support yakho ukuthi ngicela ungisubscribele, upresse usubscribe, ube nosuku oluhle, usale kahle.